Hey guys, so I figured out this thing to do. Take perfume and a lighter, and you, first of all, take the caps off. Take a surface. Just saying ahead of time, it doesn't burn the surface, so it's fine. Take the perfume, spray it, and then, whoops. Okay, hairspray works kind of, but not as good as perfume is. Just to let you see it again. Regular perfume. Well, yeah, regular perfume. After you do it, it does smell really bad if you get close to it. But I think it's a pretty cool idea, or pretty cool thing. And I'll show you what it looks like in dark. Sorry if you can't see anything. Perfume, desk, spray. If you want to see what hairspray does, hairspray. As you have probably noticed, I'm wiping it off after I do it, just so it doesn't kind of mix with other perfume and hairspray. But with hairspray, if you want it to work, you have to spray it so it's white, and then quickly light it. And it lasts kind of a while, I guess. Whoops. If you just lightly spray it and let it dry a little bit, it doesn't work. So there you have it. Perfume and lighter trick. See you later, guys.